I'm here with Pete Southwood, and you're an evangelist for the Geospatial Utilities Division, right?
Yes, absolutely correct. Yes, I specifically deal with infrastructure, geospatial and utility applications from Autodesk.
Now I imagine that there's a lot of business issues these days, especially surrounding some of those issues, especially like infrastructure, right?
Absolutely correct. And in fact, what's interesting, they resonate across all industries. So you could almost take these same business issues, like doing more with less people. We're living in unfortunate times, but having to have solutions to do more with less people and obviously less experienced personnel. So that's a big business issue. Having standards being adhered to, having people taking information and having that information adhering to a company's standards.
Now, what are the products that are part of this solution?
Well, it's funny you should mention that. They're all based upon, the bedrock of most of our solutions are based upon AutoCAD. But I'm
like to hear
there
that.
You go. But I'm thinking about AutoCAD map. If we take a business issue about doing more with less, so drilling down into that, you've got personnel, you need to have multiple people, for example, editing the same information. A classic example is an AutoCAD drawing. Traditionally, you can only have one person editing that drawing, but with the AutoCAD map 3D, you can have multiple people editing that same AutoCAD drawing. So that's a great productivity tool over and above the wealth of functionality, as you know, that AutoCAD can deliver.
And so that's in addition to, like with AutoCAD, you can have XREFs where people,
absolutely.
but this is even more...
Well, I benefit from everything AutoCAD gives, but then I've got this great tool that sits on top of AutoCAD that gives me even more functionality. I mentioned standards, classification. Organizations want their information to adhere to standards. And you know better than I do, you've seen some of the horror story drawings that come in from people, layers all wrong, colors all wrong, no attributes. But again, there are tools in AutoCAD Map that enable you to build those standards, those classes, those classifications. Put the right information on the right layer, right line style, right attribute information. So again, resolving that business issue with very simple tools.
Great. Well, that sounds like a good solution. I like to see that AutoCAD's part of it.
Oh, it's the bed. I told you it's the bedrock.
bedrock.
Absolutely.
Great. Well, thanks, Pete.
Thank you.